What's the meaning of country dancing? Country dancing. Country dancing.
Country dancing. Country dancing. Country dancing is a social dance genre that originated in rural areas of the United Kingdom and Ireland. It involves groups of dancers moving in synchronized patterns to traditional folk music, typically performed by live musicians using acoustic instruments such as fiddles, banjos, and guitars. Country dancing emphasizes community, fun, and teamwork, with dancers often forming long lines or circles and performing familiar steps and figures. The result is a lively and joyful atmosphere, where people of all ages and backgrounds can come together to enjoy the music and each other's company.